Hello everyone. Here we to discuss about chipset. Here are the content we are going to cover. Firstly, we will discuss that what is a chipset. Then at second stage we will have a look at is there any difference between chipset and motherboard. At third stage we will try to know about sections of chipset. And at last stage we will see how those sections actually work. What is chipset? A chipset is a group of interdependent motherboard chips or integrated circuits that control the flow of data and instructions between the central processing unit, CPU, or microprocessor, and external devices. A chipset controls external buses, memory cache, and some peripherals. A CPU is unable to function without impeccable chipset timing. Is chipset same as the motherboard? No, the chipset and the motherboard are not the same. However, a chipset is a part of a motherboard, and it is the part that determines what components your motherboard supports. Here we have sections of motherboard. There are two sections of motherboard. First we have is the south bridge and the second we have is the north bridge. Let's discuss about the north bridge. North bridge is located in the northern section of the motherboard. It is also known as the host bridge. It is directly connected to the CPU, RAM, AGP, and PCI Express slots. If it is required for the CPU to communicate with AGP or PCI Express slots etc., the communication occurs via the north bridge. Usually, north bridge operates at a faster speed as it connects to high-speed components in the computer. Now we have the south bridge. The south bridge controls the slower I/O or in and out devices. These include all hard drive and expansion slots, USB, FireWire, RAID, audio, codecs, real-time system clock, system power management, interrupt controller, direct memory access, DMA, controller, and non-volatile BIOS. Memory. The Southbridge chip is sometimes referred to as the I/O Controller Hub, ICH, or Platform Controller Hub, PCH. Thank you for watching, hope you learned something today.